How to delete apps on Android. Now, in order to delete apps on Android, you just simply need to pick the app which you would like to delete at very first. And you have to keep that in mind that you can only delete the application permanently if you have installed those application from other application provider, but you cannot permanently delete the system application. Now, if you have installed those applications later, just simply select the application and tap into that for a while. And then you are gonna get this option of uninstall. Tap into that uninstall button and tap to OK in order to confirm. And the application will be deleted successfully like this. Now, if you have a system application and you select that, for example, let's say this Google application right here, you are gonna get this option of disable instead of uninstall. You can disable the application temporarily and you can enable it again, but you cannot permanently uninstall or delete it. I hope this video have been helpful and informative for you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.